Hello everyone, let's crack 9th and 10th India's largest learning platform Academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us, all the quality, and you are going to have a great learning. My dear scholars, I am Jeevit Sharma, passion. You can find more about me at the rate of Manoj post. Let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VM. Here it is introduction about the description box. The feedback form is there. All of you that there it is a super short introduction about me. Track all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform. For that, you need to take the plus. That you will get unlimited live and recorded courses from all the India's best educators who are going to. So for that, you need to take the subscription. If you take the subscription, what are the benefits? Daily live classes you have, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. Subscription, you can go with all the subjects. You can either go live or recorded. When you are using my code, I'll give you a 10% of instant reduction as gift. Then that 1 month course of 2000, 2 months course of 9,000 rupees, 12 months course 13,500, 24 months course 1,500, 36 months course of 20,800. These three are the best of the best options. Best one is this one. If your goal is fixed, you are going to crack IIT or NEET. 36 months course, best option if you are in 9th class or 10th class. Then 800 rupees per month when you are paying. It means 25 rupees per day you are paying. Just go for it. It is the best option once you your goal and go for it. This guy has used my code VMCBSE and now he is ready to write the NEET examination. This guy has used my code VM. Concepts were totally clear. Now he is ready to appear for the NEET examination. All of you wish all the best. The daily live classes you are attending, special classes which are free. Now it's time to attend the daily live classes from all the India's best of the best educators. Can prepare from India's top educators the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, physical science, English and science, which is with physics, chemistry, and bio. Okay. Best 10 CBSE is our Telegram channel. There you will get all the subjects updates. So, an Academy app, need to install and go for CBSE class 10th. Then it's time to take the subscription. Get subscription by using the referral code PMBSC. Okay. So, need super short physics revision series. As a part of that, today it's time to learn electricity. Okay. Electricity is called as current electricity part 1. These are the timings. Already yesterday you people have finished motion in one dimension, work, power and energy by me, and gravitation with Mayank sir, and with sir motion in one dimension. Now it's time to learn. Already you have finished the circular motion also period. Now it is current electricity part 1, which I am going. Next part is ray optics part 1. Okay. Current electricity part 1. Here is your first question. Whenever you people are practicing, whenever you are doing this exams, be concentrated. Read out the question once or twice. Times every question you read, and the time provided also sufficient. If you read the 2 times, if any terms are missing, that also you can understand and you can answer very easily. This is a repeated question of NEET 2017. The resistance of a wire is R ohms if it is melted and stretched to n times its original length. No resistance. Okay. So immediately when you are reading the question, you have to think of what are the terms: resistance, the color, resistance, length, and area. Okay, and these all things are related with the volume. Okay, the resistance of a wire is R ohms. It is melted and stretched n times its original length. Its new resistance will be that you need to find. Suppose this is the wire, okay, of R ohms. Length and area of cross section both are there, and when it was melted, volume volume is constant, both. Okay, volume is same, resistivity also same. Here also it has NL. What is the formula we know? R equal to rho L by A. Okay, so what happened? It was melted and stretched n times. Okay, it was stretched n times. So what is the resistance formula? Rho L by A. So here what are the things constant? What are the things constant? Resistivity and volume. These two things are constant. Okay, these two things are constant. So now we are going to multiply with the length, because length only changed, no? Its original length you need to find out. So we are multiplying L with numerator and denominator. Both we are multiplying. So R equal to rho L by A into L by L. So P is equal to length into area. This is the formula of volume. So what it will become? Rho L square by B. So R is directly proportional to length. That it became now as volume, and these are constant. Okay. Their volume is constant and resistivity also constant. So R equal to L square. R is directly proportional to L square. Here n times. So R slash will be of n L. R slash will be of R. So this is the C is the correct answer. Okay, understood? Go for the next one. Which rule is followed? To see the connections like this, the potential difference VA minus VB between the points A and B in the given figure is, it is repeated question of 2016 NEET. Okay, connected with a battery of 3 volts, current is 2 amperes, potential difference in between the given figure. Have to find out VA and VB. Which law to be followed here? Kirchhoff law. Using Kirchhoff law you have to follow. Okay, you are going to use Kirchhoff law. Then what are the things given? I is 2 amperes given already. According to the Kirchhoff law, if you see VA minus V I into 1 ohms, okay, minus VB equal to 0. So VA minus 2 amperes is the current given, minus 3 minus current is only 1 minus V equal to 0. So VA, potential difference at the point A, minus 9, potential difference at the point B. VA minus VB equal to 9 volts. 9 volts is the answer. This B is the right option. Whenever you people are like this, only question beside the question you will get a small place. There only complete sum you solve. Next sum. ABC are voltmeters of resistance R, 1.5 resistance. Here you can see the diagram. Resistance A, B and C. Okay. Resistance B is 1.5 and resistance C is 3 R. Okay, respectively as shown in the figure. And some potential difference is applied between X and Y. The voltmeter readings are VA, BB and VC respectively. What happened to this? You need to find. Okay. You have to compare. VA, B and VC. Okay. So if you draw this diagram completely, okay, current I is flowing through point X to point Y and the resistance RA it is. RB is okay. RB is 1.5 ohms. 1.5 ohms. RC is 3 ohms. Okay. For simplify, you have to simplify this completely. I is equal to V by R. That R is here, 2 are there by R plus equal to V by 2 R you will get. Okay. V by 2 R you will get. V across R. V R equal to I into R. I equal to V by 2 R. Substitute the value R. Okay. This is only R. Is by, so V across parallel, V across R which is parallel is V by, so VA equal to V. Option it is option A. Option A is the right answer. Okay. Only the substitution. Current electricity chapter is very easy. Only the thing is little concentration. Whatever you have learned in the 10th class, that is only mostly here it is. So if your 10th class is strong, electricity chapter you can do very nicely in your plus 2. Okay. So now those whoever are watching, if any 10th class children are watching, they also will feel that yes, NEET is not a big thing. Okay. अब ऐसा बना दिया कि नीट बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट एग्जाम है. मे बी इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट, नॉट मे बी, इट इज अ डिफिकल्टी लेवल इज लिटिल हाई ओनली एज ऑल ओवर इंडिया ओनली वन मेडिकल टेस्ट विच वी कंडक्ट नीट. Okay. So इसलिए what you have to do, to your attitude towards the learning must be not like it is very difficult, I can't read. Must be like yes, I can read. Okay. Then only you can solve very easy. Next one is, two metal wires of identical dimensions are connected in series if sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the conductivities of the metal wires respectively, the effective conductivity of the combination. Okay. First thing you must understand, what is conductivity. Conductivity is the inverse of resistivity, this we all know. What is the question? Two metal wires of identical dimensions, one wire, okay, connected in series. They are connected in series like this. Sigma 1, sigma 2, and here it is length and area same. Okay, they are connected in series. The metal wires respectively the effective conductivity of the combination. Okay, so when they are in series connection, R equal to rho L by A. So rho equal to 1 by sigma, sigma equal to 1 by rho. Okay, that is only conductivity is the inverse of resistivity. So R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. R equivalent is okay, R equal to rho L by A, that is only L by sigma A because conductivity. Okay, यहाँ हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेते हैं 12 by 2 lengths which is equivalent A equal to L by 1A plus L by 2A. Everything will get cancelled like this. Equal to 2 by sigma equivalent equal to 1 by sigma 1 plus 1 by sigma. Okay, sigma equivalent equal to 2 sigma 1 sigma 2 by sigma 1 plus sigma. Okay, A is the correct answer. Okay, conductivity is the inverse of resistivity. Here, two metal wires of identical dimensions only taken are connected in series. If sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the conductivities of the metal wires respectively, the effective conductivity of the combination is, it is 2 sigma 1 sigma 2 by sigma 1 plus. Okay, next. A wire of resistance 4 ohms is stretched to twice its original length. The resistance of stretched wire would be. You may feel that all questions are alike. Yes or no? So easy questions you can solve it very nicely. Only the thing is attitude towards the subject must be very strong that I can do it. Okay. No stress nothing. बहुत अच्छी तरह से आप लोगों ने पढ़ाई की है, बहुत अच्छी लिखोगे आप लोग, वो समझ में आ जाना चाहिए आपको. Two wires you have taken, volume will be same. Okay, so stretch it little. So R equal to 4 ohms. Okay, wire of 4 ohms. Length and area, volume is same, constant. Volume equal to length into area. Okay, R is 4 ohms. L and A1 here doubled, no? L and okay, twice of its original length when it was stretched. So V1 equal to V2. V1 is A. A1 L1 equal to A2. L2 A1 L1 equal to A2. L is 2L. A1 by A2 equal to 2 by 1. Okay, 12 by L1 we can write, or else by 1. Now new resistance and the old resistance ratio if you take this rho L by A2 by rho L by A1, 2 by A2 into A. But these all things will get cancelled. Rho, L, everything. Okay. one minute. I'll just make it as complete as all the letters. If I use, you will get confused. Everything as small letters only I'll write here, so that you will be clear. Okay, so L and A1, 12 and A2. Okay, here also A1 and A2, L2, A1 and A2, 12. Okay, A1 by A2 equal to 12 by L1, 2 by 1 you got. Okay, now what you will get? 2A1 by, okay, 2 equal to 4 बन जाएगा ये 4. So R slash by R equal to 4. R slash equal to 4 into equal to 16 ohms. Here 16 ohms is the answer. Okay. So suppose a wire of resistance 4 ohms is stretched. 4 ohms resistance wire you have stretched. Volume will not change. Volume is constant. Volume equal to length into area. Second wire which was stretched, that become length is in plus 12. Then it means we have to, as volume is constant, we have to take that. Okay, V1 equal to V2. A1 L1, A2 L2. So as L2 is 2L, 2 times of the length, it was already given in the question. So finally that ratio will be 2 by 1 you will get. That only when you are going to take the ratio of R slash by R, new resistance and the R, then finally you will get 4. So that only when you will do this, 4 into 4, 16 ohms is the, okay. The next is you can directly also you can do here. How you will do? R slash equal to N square R square into 4. Okay, anything you can do. Next, the internal resistance of a 2.1 volt cell which gives a current of 0.2 amperes through the resistance of 10 ohms. Okay, so here I'll draw the diagram once. See, 10 ohms resistor was connected to a battery. One internal resistance here, that is R. Our current is 2.1. Okay, sorry, potential difference is 2.1. Current is 0. Ampere. Potential difference is 2.1 and current is 0.2 amperes. So according to Ohm's law, 10th class onwards you are reading Ohm's law. 10 and R, these two are in series. 10 ohms and R are in, okay. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is 2.1 equal to 0.2. Series now, 10 plus R, 21 by 2, 10 plus R equal to 21 by 2 minus 10. Okay, 10.5 minus R equal to 0. Understood? Feeling easy or not? 0.5 ohm. The answer D. Okay. Next question. A wire of resistance, very important. This question you will get this time in the exam. Okay, a wire of resistance 12 ohm meter is bent to form a complete circle of radius 10 centimeters. The resistance between its two diametrically opposite points. Diametrically opposite points A and B are shown. That's why I have drawn a middle line. Okay. What is the circumference? Circumference equal to 2 pi r, pi into 10 centimeters, 10 by 100. Okay. AB is the diameter, radius is 10 centimeters. Okay. What you will get? Pi by 5 resistance equal to pi by 5 into 12 ohm meter. Okay. Ohms. 12 pi by 5 ohms. Okay. How much R upper? R upper, it is R upper and R lower. R upper equal to R lower. Okay. So 12 pi by 5 into 2 equal to 12 pi by 10 ohms equal to circumference by resistance of RAB equal to RU. They become parallel to each other, no? RA, see this AB, R upper and R lower are parallel to each other. RU, R lower by R upper plus as RAB are parallel to each other. So substitute these all values. 12 pi by 10 into 12 pi by 10 by 12 pi by 10 plus 12 pi by 10. Okay. When you substitute all these things, you will get 6 pi by 10 equal to 0.65 ohms. Okay. The answer A, 0.65 ohms. This question definitely you will get. Just remember when you are solving, no, you just remember me. But madam said yes, got. Next one. In a circuit shown, the current through the 4 ohms resistor is 1 ampere when the point P and M are connected to a DC voltage source. The potential difference between the points M and N is, okay. The parallel resistance, what are parallel resistance? These are in parallel only. In parallel resistance, the PD parallel resistance is same. PD means voltage. Voltage across PM equal to 1 equal across 4 ohms it is given. Okay. So R, they are equivalent, are parallel, no? 1 plus 0.5 into 0.5. First we are by 0.5 plus 0.5. Solve it. You will get 1.25 ohms. This is also in parallel. Okay. Ohms and 4 ohms also in parallel. Okay. 1.25 into I equal to 4. volts. I equal to 4 by 1.3.2 amperes. Okay. 3.2 amperes current is flowing. What is the PD between this? Then P is equal to 3.2 1 equal to 3.2 volts. Okay. Okay, as these all are in parallel, first you have to solve. After that, this is in series only. Whatever this here, you will get 4 ohms and 3 ohms that will be added here. Okay, that's why we have got these all. Okay, next into 1 we have done at the end. That's why a wire of certain material is stretched slowly by 10%. New resistance and specific resistance will become. Two things you have to find out: R slash and specific resistance. Both you need to find. Okay. In this case, volume is constant. Volume is constant only. Specific resistance also same, because it depends upon the nature of material. How it is same, we'll find out. Two wires you have taken, V1 and V2. Here length, area and resistivity. 10% the length is increased. Okay. A wire of certain material is stretched slowly by 10%. Its new resistance and specific resistance come equally. Here L plus 0.1 L equal to 1.1 L. Okay. So here V1 equal to V2, 1 equal to G A into L equal to A2 into L, A1 into L, A2 into 1.1 L. यहाँ हो गया आपका नया लेंथ इतना. Okay. L will get cancelled. A1 equal to 1.1. That only in the form of ratio A1 by A2 equal to 1.1. As a this only you can write as A2 equal to A1 by already those all things. Now new resistance R equal to rho L by A. Okay. Rho 1.1 L by A equal to rho 1.1 L by A 1.1. Okay. Rho L by A1 to 1.1 whole square. Okay. So here R mu equal to R old into 1.1 whole, because rho L by A is the old one only, no? So it is 1.21 times of R old. Okay. New resistance. So here this is the option we have to 1.21 times into same. Okay. 1.21 times, and 1.21 times is the new resistance, and this is resistivity which is same. Okay. Resistivity depends upon the nature of material. Next, when a wire of uniform cross section A and length L and resistance R is bent into a complete circle. Resistance between two of diametrically opposite points will be same like that question only, but how to do, find out. Okay, here what are the things given always when it was, एक सर्कल बना लेते हैं पहले, became like a circle, point A and point B. Okay, then R by 2, it will become A and point B. Okay, the same wire we have bent, no, symmetrically means two semicircles were formed, so circumference will be same, will be same. R is equally distributed, R by 2 into R by 2 and R by 2. So here R equal to OL by A. R is directly proportional to L as it is made up of, resistivity is with the same material. Okay, same wire is only used. So RAB equal to, they are parallel, no? R by 2 to R by 2 by R by 2 plus R by 2 equal to R square by 4 1 by R by 4. So the new resistance, when a wire of uniform cross section A, length L and resistance R is bent into complete circle, resistance between two diametrically opposite points, what is the resistance? R by 4 it will be. So finally R by 4 is A. Answer. A bridge circuit is shown in the figure. The equivalent resistance between A and B will be, this is the bridge circuit. You see here, this one and this one. Okay, this one and this one. 8 into 3, 24 ohms. 4 is 24, 4, 24 ohms. How they are? Okay, so that logic, that means this is, this you can remove. Okay, so 7 ohms you can remove. As here the 7 ohms I is low. I became 0. So we can remove that. Suppose if we see now RS 3 plus 4 7 RS series 13 and 14. So now these two are in parallel. Okay, these two are in parallel, 7 ohms and 14 ohms. 7 ohms and 14 ohms are in parallel. So now 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 15. 3 by 14. Rp equal to 14 by 3. 14 by 3 will be 3 4s are 12. I think. Okay, this will be the answer. Right? This is the answer. RAB will be 0.6. Okay. Now next, very easy. The current is given. The current I you need to find in the given circuit. Potential difference is 4.84. Which are in series, just see, are in series, that is parallel to this. That's why find out RS equal to plus 6 12 ohms. Okay, RP you need to find out 1 by R equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12 equal to 12. 4 is 12, 1. 5 by, okay, RP equal to 12 by 5 ohm. Okay, I equal to V by R. What is V given? 4.8. 5 by 12. Point, if you remove 10, equal to 2 amperes. Okay. Circuits, if they give very easily, only the thing is which one is in series, which one is in parallel, you have to see, so that you can. Okay. Then a negligibly small current is passed to a wire of resistance of a wire of length 15 meters and a resistance 5 ohms having uniform cross sectional of 6 10 to power minus 7 meters square. Then coefficient of resistivity of the material. Okay. Sorry. Uniform cross section of square. Okay. R equal to easy peasy rho L by A. Rho equal to R into by L. R is 5 ohms into area is 10 to power of minus 7. Length is 15 meters. 5 3s are 15. The 6. Direct question it is. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 is the right answer. Next, if a wire of resistance R is melted and recasted to half of its length, then the new resistance of the wire will be R old is R O L by A 1. Length is same length. Second length is L by 2. Half of its length recasted to half of its length. Volume is constant equal to L. B slash equal to A slash L slash. Okay. A L equal to A slash into L by 2. A slash equal to, okay. So R slash equal to rho L slash by A slash equal to rho into second length is L by 2. That is half. This is double. So 1 by 4 into rho L by A. R slash equal to 1 by 4 R by 4. A. Okay. Next, one more. The current of the following circuit is. Find out the current in the following circuit. See 1, 2 by 3A, 2 by 9A, 1 by 8A. Okay. They are in series, same like that sum. R is in series 3 plus 3 equal to 6 ohms. 1 by Rp equal to, now Rp you need to find 1 by Rp 1 by 6, 1 by 3. Sorry. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Solve it. 1 by 2. Rp equal to ohms. I equal to by R by 2 1 1 ampere. Current is A. The correct answer. So 15 questions we have solved here. Yesterday 15 questions we have solved. Okay, yesterday 15 questions we have solved. Today 15 we have solved from to me. Okay. So yesterday it is 45. Till now along with this 45 plus 30 is 75 questions we have solved. So more are there which we are going to solve. Okay. Few more means how many? 3 plus 45 plus 15. 3 more. So totally so many questions we are solving. One more class is also there. 75. Again 75. So total 150 questions we are solving. Obviously from this 18 questions you are going to get. One shot it is. Okay. 15 questions, 15 to 18 questions you are going to get. Definitely whoever is watching, they are going to get the free seat in medical. All the best. Okay. So install the Academy Learning app. Now it's time to roll for CBSE class 10th. Okay, CBSE class 10th ले लो सब्सक्रिप्शन अपना. Okay, then referral code, which one you will use? VMCBSE and get the subscription by using my referral code VMCBSE. 12 months, 24 months और 36 months का ये तीनों बेस्ट ऑप्शन है. Best option, so that you will get 10% of reduction as gift. Okay, then 1 month is 2250, months it is 9000, 12 months it is 13500, okay, 24 months it is 1500, 36 months 8800 rupees. 800 rupees whole studies you are going to. Okay, so remember my code VMCBSE and go for subscription. Hope you people like the session. लाइक करने में कंजूसी मत दिखाना. लाइक करो, शेयर करो और अपना अपना भी नॉलेज बढ़ाओ. अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी दो नॉलेज बढ़ाने के लिए. ओके, शेयर एज मच एज यू कैन. 3 to 4 times to just watch and learn. Okay, views. Just hit the bell icon of Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE for all our updates. I'm going to plan so many very nice sessions for you all children. So take care of your health. All the NEET aspirants, those whoever are watching this, take care of your health. Last minute revision plays a very important role. Physically, mentally also be strong. Eat light food. Okay. Thank you one and all.